What's up everybody, my name is Mark and welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing video here today. Y'all stick around for that. We're gonna go back inside and we're gonna continue this unboxing.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Well, there we have it, guys. The Mavic 2 Zoom. Let's get this plastic off of this bad boy so we could actually see what it looks like. Alright, first we have a charger right here. We'll get to that a little bit later. These are the cables. This is the controller. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. This is the guy we here for. Okay, so we ain't gonna worry about all the extra stuff that came with it. This is the blades and a manual. I'm thinking blades and manual right here, guys. And let's get this guy. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Now tell me, guys, this is unbelievable. Those are the sensors on the bottom. I like the DJI on the back right here. I never have one of these before, the Mavic, so I can't really compare it to the other Mavic that we have. I mean, they have, like the Mavic sign right here. This is my first Mavic. I have the Phantom, and I have the Sparks and the Tello, but never have a Mavic before. There's a bunch of labels and stuff, telling you what it is. There's a bunch of sensors and stuff. This is my first Mavic, maybe first of many Mavics to come. I'm a drone person, so you best believe this is not my last drone. Now let's open it up. That's what it looks like when you sit it down on the table. Looks like beautiful, guys. I'm loving this, but definitely we're gonna have a lot of fun. 31 minutes of flight time. Beautiful. Alright, guys, let's get into some of the details about this drone right now. Let's look a little closer at the controller. It's similar to the Sparks. I like the way they clipped in though. They actually clipped. You have these two buttons under the bottom right here. And bam, a little transformer again, just like the Tello. I mean just like the Sparks. Yeah, and the joystick, they're right in there for safe storage, so you guys don't have to worry about losing those no more. You just screw them in right here. Unlike the Sparks, they like built in, so there's no way to take them out. Alright, guys, but anyway, that's it. That's that. We're gonna take it outside before the sun actually goes away. I don't want the sun to go away, and I don't really fly it, so I'm gonna definitely set it up and I'm gonna go ahead and fly it up. But first, I think I want to go ahead and charge the batteries and make sure I have enough battery, because you do have to charge the battery before you fly, before you go fly. So we're gonna set it up in a minute and we're gonna take it for a spin. We're gonna take it for a ride. That's the Zoom, y'all. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you guys on the outside. I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna do all that setup. You guys know how it is to set it up. I don't want to bore you guys, put you guys to sleep setting it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it to charge, set it up, and I'll see you guys outside. Right there and charge a little bit. Set 2 bars. It's supposed to be at 4 bars, so I'm gonna let it sit here and charge a little bit, and we'll get back to that whenever it's done charging. Let's go assemble this drone right now. Welcome back, guys. Now we outside. Let's see what this baby could do. Alright, there you have it, guys. The Mavic 2 Zoom. Well, my personal opinion is I want to compare this drone to the Phantom, because the Phantom is in its own class. The Phantom, in my point of view, from what I see here today, I think the Phantom is a lot better. Handling is a lot better. I guess because it's a little bit heavier, so you can whip it around and do whatever you want to do. But this is a great drone for whatever, for its class. I think it's the best Mavic that they came up with. But to compare with the Phantom, the flying experience is not like the Phantom. Maybe the picture quality and the video quality and stuff like that is a lot better than the Phantom. But flying wise, nah, I'll go with the Phantom 100 times. But this is a pretty cool drone though. This is my first foldable drone. Fantastic drone. If you guys don't already have one, definitely go get one. I'm gonna leave a link in the description and how to get that, because it's a pretty amazing drone. I don't know if you guys want to get this, the Zoom or the Pro, whichever one you guys desire. Well, I have the Zoom and I think it's a pretty amazing drone. I like it because of the whole zoom, feature. Pretty amazing features, and to finally have it in a drone, yeah, I say that's a win-win. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'll be back with a lot more video on the Zoom. I'm gonna make this my go-to drone. So anyway, guys, Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and your family. I will see you in the next video. See you guys later. Peace.